If you think about the end markets that we serve and our customers, it's in quantum, it's in AI data centers, it's in mission-critical applications. What our customers really want is that people-to-people domain expertise that we garner together when we work together. This customer came with a problem. We gave them access to some early technology that we hadn't released yet. They ended up staying for 2 full days. As we helped them, we got feedback and made that product even better before we launched it. So truly, customer-centric innovation. That's what we want to fuel and truly be known as a technology growth company.